A little more. Just breathe out. Let it go. Good. 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 Breathe easy.
No, it's bearable.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Move nice and easy. So if anything is too strong, just tell me, okay? Good. Drop your arm and lean your head this way, just like that. Good. Here we're going to just work the muscle a little bit. Good. Just a little. I guess these muscles can get really tight from doing eyelashes all day, right? Okay, move on the shoulder a little bit.
You can put it right there.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Drop your arm and relax your head. It's going to come here. Good. Just like that. We're really going to work on these muscles. We're going to work you out today. Good. Head straight. How long have you been working out? A couple of years?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Good. What gym?
And the fitness.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Alright, so first things first. I want to just take your arm for a second. And I'm just going to work on your trap inside here. I mean your lat. Because your lat is really tight. Right? Inside this area. Alright, so it's going to be a little bit... Yeah, it's tight inside there. So I want you to bring your arm up and down. Up and down. This is going to hurt a little bit, right? So I just want to... Because just the lat is so tight in here.
Yeah.
Go up and back down. Good. Up and back down. Good. Up. Back down. Up. Back down. Up. Back down. Up. Back down. Last time. And come right back down. Cool. Let's do the other side. Good. Again. Again. Good. And again. And again. Last time. Perfect. Come right back down. Excellent. This is just going to loosen up the neck a little bit. Good. Turn your head right. Good. Tapping. You're going to feel that. It's not going to hurt, okay? So turn your head this way first. And we're going to start right inside here. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. Turn left a little more. Your head left. Good. Just like that. Good. Look straight ahead. Bring this arm, bring it back like that, please. We're going to just try to open up the shoulder joint a little bit. Just like that. Good. Good. Bring it right back down here. Good. And just relax the shoulder. Nice. Good. Yep. So yes, like that. Perfect. Just like that. Good. Good. Now look straight ahead, just like that. Just going to loosen up the shoulder. Good. Okay, I'm just going to tap right side here by the clavicle. Okay, now I want you to take your arm and bring it right back out like that. Hold it there for a second. Good. Good. Bring it back a little more, just to open the joint a little bit. Good. Okay, bring it back to the side. Good. So let's take this arm, just go like that for a second, just this side. I'm going to ask you to pull back your elbow in just 1 second, all right? Good. So pull it back. Yep, I'm going to pull back the elbow, not the shoulder, just this part like that, just like that, okay? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Pull it back. There you go. Nice. Let's do the other side. Good. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Pull back. Harder. There we go. Beautiful. That's perfect. Good. So relax here. I'm just going to see if there's anything left in there. So hold on your arm and let it drop. I'm just going to just relax it. I'm going to pull in a little bit. Just let it drop. Easy, easy. Just going to go like this. Good. Nice. Let's do this side also. And just let it relax. Just going to let it just drop. Nice and easy. Just want that nice and easy. Good. Perfect. Stretch a little bit. You okay? Mm-hmm. Good. Move your shoulders a little bit. Just like that. Pretty good so far? Yeah. Good, good, good. So that's a lot of noise coming out of your shoulders, right? That's a lot. So your shoulders are really locked up completely. That's amazing.
They're crunchy.
Yeah, they're crunchy. And relax here, easy. Good. Good. And here. And relax your hands. Let it go. Good. A little more. Good. Good. Just relax. Easy. Just going to come inside the elbow joint. Good. And relax here. Nice. Let it go. Nice. Relax your arm. It's not easy to relax. No. Yeah. All right. You see that? Good. Right back down. Good. I want you to bring this leg right over here, and you're going to sit facing that way. Move up a little bit. Cool. And you can put your feet right on that if you want, right there. So we're going to do a little twist. So put this arm here, and this arm comes underneath. Okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to twist left, just like that. Okay, I want you to breathe in really deep. Breathe out. You're going to twist left. A little more. Nice. Perfect. Put this arm on top. Okay, I'm going to twist right. And I want you to breathe in really deep. Breathe all the way out. Just let it go. Wow. Perfect. Excellent. All right, so now we're going to stand up, and I want you to lay down on your side facing the window, okay? So you're going to lay on your side, rest your head here. How are we doing so far? Good. Good? Okay, good, good. Good. I'm going to slide you down a little bit. You might feel like you're going to fall. You won't, I promise. I promise. Maybe you might lose an eyelash, but you won't fall. Good. Just like that. And just let your body, let your hip just drop down a little bit. That's it. Just going to get in here. Perfect. Good. Let's just go on the other side, please. Let your hips just fall forward, okay? Just like that. A little more. Hold on. Just going to bring it back. Okay. Lay on your back and bend your knee. Come on, you watched the video. I'm going to work on your ankles and work on your feet as well, okay? Good. Good. And just rest here, put your head there, bend your knees again. Good. So put a little space here. Open your legs a little bit. I just want you to squeeze together, squeeze. Good. Separate, separate. Good. Squeeze again. Good. And bring this down. And now relax the leg. Just let it relax. No, relax. Let it relax. Relax. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Come on. That's it. Good, good, good. Perfect. Perfect. I'm going to make a circle, but a bigger circle. You might hear a little pop, okay? Just kind of let it go. You okay? Mm-hmm. Good. Good. And stretch inside here. Let it drop. We'll tighten here. Yeah, that's a tight muscle. Okay, and just relax here. No, let it go. Just going to open up the hip joint. Good. And the ankle. Very good. Relax the foot. Good. Good. Just going to stretch out your leg and just relax. Nice and easy. Okay, just a little stretch in the hamstring. When you work out in the gym, you stretch out? Good. Good. Point your toe to your chin. Make it a little tougher. Good. And now relax. Just going to put this here. This goes off the table. Stretch out the flexor. Good. Good. Come back. Bring this down. And relax this foot. Okay. We'll just let it go. Let it go. Let me do the work. Let me do the work. Good. It's like when you do eyelashes. People can't relax. Or do people relax when you do eyelashes?
They actually fall asleep.
Do they? Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Do you want them to fall asleep?
Yeah.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, because you work faster.
Oh, okay. Oh, you work faster. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Really?
Yeah, because sometimes when people talk, they move their eyes.
They jump?
Yeah.
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 Got it. So you want them to fall asleep?
Yeah.
Good. Just relax here. Off the table. Stretch out your hip. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. How many years are you doing eyelashes?
3.
3 years? How do you like it?
Good. It's
Yeah?
fun. Yeah,
Good.
it's really nice.
Nice. I guess it's a good business.
It is.
Yeah, relax. Good. 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 Relax a little more. Good. More. Perfect. Just going to bring it down a little bit. Put your legs right side here. And you're just going to relax a little bit. Good. I'm going to do a little bit of traction on that neck. Alright, try to decompress that a little bit. Okay. I'll take you step by step through the whole thing. Alright. So I just want you to lift up your head a little bit. Come back down, just like that. Okay. Good. Now I'm going to do a little pull just so you can see what this feels like first, and then we'll go ahead and we'll do this adjustment. Just relax here, nice and easy. Just relax your head. Good. I'm going to open up the joint a little bit, just like that. Just breathe in really deep, and breathe all the way out, just so you can see what this feels like, just like that. Okay. Now I just want you to breathe in really deep again, right? And just kind of let it go. Good. Just breathe out. Let it go. Good. Good, good. Breathe easy, nice and easy. Keep breathing, nice and easy. Perfect. Just underneath you, here, and then here, and just relax your legs. How we doing? There we go. All right. How'd you like that?
I'm a lifer good.
Yes, you are. Lift up. Slide up just a little bit. Okay. Good. How'd that feel?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you feel it all the way down? How
Yeah.
far did that go?
Yeah, it went right here. Yeah, all the way down, all the way to the.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Excellent. Okay, slide up a little more to me. Slide up here. No, just slide up. Right there. Good. I'm going to recheck you again. Lift up your head. Head down. And just relax nice and easy. So you just chill, relax a little bit. I'm just going to check your shoulder joints for a second. Just make sure that they're okay. Yeah, they're a little tight. Told you I was going to work you a little bit. Good. Good. Perfect. Come right over. Breathe nice and easy. And just relax easy. Just relax easy. Good. See how tight you are here? Yeah. Okay. Just, I want you to focus on your breathing. Just focus on the breathing. I'll do the rest, okay? Just let this muscle just relax. Do a little stretch. Good. Just let the muscles go easy. A little bit more. Just going to put a gentle stretch inside here. No, let that go. A little more. Good. Come back here. Take a minute. How are we doing?
Okay.
Good? Ready for the other side? Okay. I'll try to go easy on those ears. Yeah, right inside there. And again, just focus on your breathing, nice and easy, okay? I'll do the rest. Good, I'm going to put a little stretch inside here. Let these muscles go, let me do the work. A little more, I'm just going to stretch all the way inside a little bit more, right there. Come back here. And breathe in really deep. Forward, yeah. Let it go. Good. Good. Perfect. Okay, let me take this pillow. Come right over here. I want you to come and sit up nice and easy. 1, 2, 3. Good. All right. Right. You might be a little bit dizzy, but that's okay. All right. Then you're going to feel looser, probably inside your shoulders. A lot looser in your shoulders, inside your neck. Don't spin your neck around. All right. Just kind of nice and easy. If you don't mind, you can just walk around a little bit. Just see how we're doing. All right. Different person, right?
Yeah.
You ever get an adjustment like that?
Yeah. Not fully like yours, but yeah.
Similar?
That voice drop, just like.
You had that Y strap done before?
It's just like.
Takes everything off, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All the pressure just comes right off.
Yeah.
How about your shoulders? You feel a little looser?
You feel.
Yeah, because you got a lot more. Yeah. So your shoulders were like this when you came in, right? Now you're kind of like this.
Yeah.
Which is good.
Yeah.
Which is good. And that's going to be helpful for your work, because your work you're always hunched over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How often do you recommend getting like an adjustment like this?
You know, I think that you should. I think see how you feel by next week. I'm here on next Saturday.
Yeah.
See how you feel next week.
Yeah.
If you still feel tight, sometimes people get adjusted once or twice, right, in the very beginning, and then I don't see them for maybe like 3-4 weeks.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And then they come in whenever they need to.
Yeah.
But see how you feel next week. If by next Saturday you still feel tight, whatever, come and get adjusted again. Right? Most people come in every 3-4 weeks. That's what they do.
Yeah.
But whenever they feel they need it.
Yeah.
You know, that's what I do.
Yeah. No, yeah,
With my
because it just
chiropractor.
feels.
Yeah, by the way, Crackkamaniacs, we got Andrea here. She is one of the greatest eyelash technicians. You got to go see her. And she works where?
I have my own business.
Her own business.
Yeah,
there we
yeah,
go.
yeah.
Right, plug it. There we go.
So my Instagram is Dreamy Gemini LLC.
Dreamy Gemini LLC.
Yes.
All right. You just do women?
Yes.
And we
Okay.
can find you where?
On Instagram.
On Instagram.
Yeah.
There we go. All right.
Thank you.
You're going to blow up. You're going to
Thank
blow
you
up.
so
The channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what? I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.